I want to inspire you with a gestural inking that I'm doing of some loose expressive palm trees. I am mainly using this to exercise and train my eye to see in shapes and to improve the connection between my eye, mind, and hand. I think it's really important as artists that we do these kind of training exercises. Training your eye to see in shapes and gestures is essential for fluid, expressive drawing. It helps you to break down complex forms into simple, dynamic movements, making your sketches feel more alive. And, I just really wanted to capture the movement in these palm trees and to suggest the movement of the fronds, not try to depict every single one of them exactly. The more you practice like this, the more natural and intuitive your lines will become. So the reference image that I'm using today, I took in Maui, and it was on a little vacay that I had with some friends. I was so blessed to be there. On the night before we left, I snapped this photo of the palms swaying in the wind, and I thought it would be a perfect image to practice rendering loosely. So that's what I'm doing. I'm focusing on capturing the movement rather than the details. Enjoy the music as I create these gestural palm trees, and I want to leave you with the challenge. Either follow my tutorial, the link is in the description. I have an entire full-length tutorial on how I render these palm trees in gestural ink markings, or take this inspiration and try it in your own picture as an exercise to train your eye. Grow your ability to see in shape and gesture, let your hand follow what your eye sees, and enjoy the process.